If you're looking to get the most out of your CPU and need the best cooling solution, an AIO is the way to go. Luckily, the one that we love, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 360 A-RGB, is not all that expensive right now, thanks to a sweet deal from Amazon that brings the price down to just $91. If you're quick, you can save 37% off retail, so get it while you still can. What's great about the Arctic Liquid Freezer 360 ARGB? You can't ask for much more when it comes to an AIO CPU cooler. This model delivers excellent thermal performance, looks great thanks to its clean design and colorful RGB lighting, and delivers great value thanks to its excellent price. When it comes to the specifications, you're getting three 120mm cooling fans, plus a 360mm radiator that measures in at 38mm thick. It also features a VRM fan that can ramp up to 2,500 RPM, which means you can control just how much cooling your PC gets. The great part is that it's also compatible with a wide range of Intel and AMD processors, making it great for PCs old and new. Overall, you won't find a better AIO at this price. It offers everything you need and looks good as well, delivering plenty of value. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.